So you can manage out your site by utilizing the website itself. Or what you can also do is you can download the WordPress app and manage out your site from a desktop app as well. So to do that, you need to go around onto your profile section right here. And over here, you can see that apps is an option. So now you can also go ahead and download this WordPress app right here on your mobile phone by scanning this QR right here. Or for your desktop, you can actually see that you can download the Studio by WordPress app or WordPress desktop app. So this is the fast and free way to develop locally with WordPress. And this is the desktop app that actually lets you manage your site from wordpress.com. So this is what you want, and you can download from Windows, for Mac, for Linux as well. So I'm using Windows, so let me just go ahead and download for Windows right here. And once I go ahead and click, then what happens is that the download will start. So let's just go ahead and save this out right here. And once that is done, the app starts downloading, as you can see, just like this. So it does take a few minutes, so you need to go ahead and wait for it to finish. And now you can see that the download is almost complete right here. So it says 3 seconds left. And once the download is completed, you simply need to go ahead and open up the installer. So I'm just going to go ahead and load it up. And then once that is done, you can see the installer right here. So you can utilize it for anyone who installs this, uses this computer. So I'm just going to go ahead and accept, and you can see that I got this bar right here. So it's installing on the computer, as you can see, just like this. And you got to wait for a while for this to get completed. And now you can see that it completed installing, and it says run wordpress.com. So let's just go ahead and click on finish right here so that the app actually loads up, and this is what you have, you can see. So now you can utilize your Google account or whatever you have. Let's say, for example, if I were to continue with Google, then you can simply go ahead and then utilize your Google account right here. So let's just go around and enter out my Google account. And then I can simply go ahead and sign into my wordpress.com account. So let's just go ahead right here and sign in. So let's just hit next and allow the access. So let's just go ahead and allow the access just like this. And then what happens is that wordpress.com gets logged in onto my desktop app right here. And then you can go ahead and manage out your WordPress site by using this application. And that is how you can go ahead and install and use the desktop app of wordpress.com easily as well. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.